Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm just making a quick video. Yeah, this is my off season. It turned out to be a little unpleasant. I don't know how this will work, but yeah, my new Crutch cam. So I had a little accident, as you may can tell. Took a little dirt bike class at the very end of November. Took a spill, ended up pretty much destroying my knee. Had reconstructive surgery on it about a week and a half ago. So today is January 13th, and I had surgery on January the 2nd. So also part of the damage was I spent a little while in the ER on the day of the crash, trying to get my arm put back into socket. So my arm came completely out of the shoulder. That was excruciating and took a while. But fortunately had some good guys there to help me out, to get me to the hospital and then get me and my bike home after that. So I may post up a little brief video of me trying to put my bike away after getting home from that class. So nothing big. I mean, I don't know. It wasn't very exciting. It was just a crazy little crash. A high side coming out of a corner, essentially, and the whiplash pulled everything on my left side out of socket. I'm pretty sure. My knee, my shoulder, arm, elbow a little bit, hip a little, ankle a little. Very bizarre. But there it is, and here I am. So, I don't know, just a quick update. Hanging out here with my mad dog Murdoch. Maybe he'll be my new mascot. He's keeping me company now. I'm going to physical therapy 3 days a week, trying to get my leg working again. It's been pretty excruciating since surgery. I don't recommend it. On that note, if you have the choice and the means to wear some of the new modern knee braces that are available, Mobius, Alpine Stars, Pod, I know that there's various others too. I can't remember off the top of my head. Yeah, just pick up a pair. Yeah, don't be cheap. You don't want to go through this. So, yeah, just hanging out here with the pup. He hates the crutches as much as I do. Just kind of wandering around the house, trying to keep from going insane. So I'm making a couple little update videos on my laptop here. I don't have a lot of good footage to show, but I don't know, just figured I'd post up something. This is why no videos have been up for a while, and probably won't be up for a while. Definitely not riding. Crutches for roughly 2 months, and then let's see, after that it's really about a 12-month to close to full recovery of the leg, and then once we get that taken care of, yeah, we'll hopefully be back on the bike again. I guess. We'll see. Tell everybody I've got 12 months to think about it, at least, so we'll see how I feel. It's hard not to ride, though, when all you do is ride, and have been riding all your life. Actually, not all my life. I started later, 15 on street bikes, but anyway, started the local off-road series a few years ago, and that's kind of my thing now, I guess. During the summers, snowboarding in the winters. Obviously, no snowboarding on this guy for a while either. So, there you have it. Pretty uninspiring video, I'm sure. But, yeah, wear braces. My God, man. One, the time off the bike. Two, the cost, medical cost of surgeries and everything associated with having to go through this. You know, doctors, PTs, meds, you name it, costs a lot. Potentially time off of your job, depending on what kind of work you do. I'm pretty immobile right now. I mean, I'm still having to rely on people to give me rides, which is pretty sad. And it'll probably be that way for a bit. So, you know, just save yourselves a whole lot of time and money and agony. Just pick up some knee braces, wear them every time. Because this really wasn't a high-speed thing. It was just coming out of a corner. Lost the rear end, and off I went. Everything was damaged. My arm, my leg, shoulder. Everything was damaged before I even hit the ground. So once I hit the ground, I was just a limp noodle. So that's the update. Maybe I'll keep you posted on how things go as far as PT once I start moving again. Maybe I'll be out at the races this season taking pictures or just yelling for my boys to go faster. So anyway, there it is. Be safe out there. Thanks.